guys, welcome to Fur Tutorials. So guys, today I create concept science fiction space scene with using Octane render. So firstly guys, I create room. So use box, this one, cube, and I change cube size. Guys, size I take first one 1000 centimeter, and y-axis I take like 500, and guys last one I take 1500. Yes, right? Okay, so guys I go on display, select God shading lines. Yes, guys, now make editable this cube. Click on here and select polygon. Guys, select this one, front face, and press delete key. Yes, right? Okay, so guys select this cube and go to up. Guys, position this one, and y-axis I take 250 centimeter. Yes, see guys, that's my simple room. And now guys I create window. So use this one cylinder, and guys rotate this cylinder, rotate. Yes, and change some setting. So guys select the cylinder and height, this one, height decrease. I take like height guys like 20. Yeah, and also increase radius increase. I take like 150 is good. Yeah, 150. And rotation segments increase. Yes, right? See guys, that's my simple cylinder. And select the cylinder, go on back. Yes, right? Okay, so guys now I use bolt tool, this one, and select this cube and go on top. Yes, select both object and make child with bowl. Yes, guys I change bowl type. So select this bowl, and bowl type I change A without B. Yes, see guys, that's my window. And now guys I create frame. So this time I take tube, this one, and same rotate this tube, rotate. Yes, and go to on up. Yeah, guys change inner size and also change outer radius like this. Guys, more outer radius little bit increase like 160, and inner radius decrease, actually increase like 145. Yes, and set on mid. Yeah, and guys now I increase this rotation segments, rotation, and height decrease. Guys take like 30. Yes, and guys mid one, that's my height segments increase. Yes, right? Okay, so guys attach on here, go to back. Yes, see guys, that's my window, right? Okay, so guys all is good. Now I go on Octane and use live viewer window. Yes, guys select this window, drag and drop on left side. Yeah, and closer, click on here, render preview. Yes, okay, so guys I also change this render setting, size. So size I like 1000, and height same 1000. Yes, and render preview. Yeah, that size is better for me. And now I take camera. So go on object and use Octane camera and camera check. Guys select this camera, and all rotation take 0 and 0. Position also change. Yes, right? Okay, so guys now I create texture for wall, this one. So again this time as a last one tutorial, guys I use JS displacement, this one, software, and open. Yes, see guys, now I create texture. So click on here menu and use second one. Yes, and click to generate map, only click on here. Yeah, see guys, that's my textures. And save this image, save, and press save. Yeah, okay, so guys now I create one more texture for lighting. So again click on here, use this one, wire, and click to generate map. Yes, see guys, that's my second texture. Okay, so guys, but guys, I don't like this too much layer count. Decrease this layer count. Yes, little bit increase, yeah. And max wire breadth, little bit decrease. Yes, right. Okay, so guys, I also change pattern. This one and click, yeah. Guys, you can change any pattern. I like this one. Yes. Yeah, little bit decrease this wire breadth. Yeah, and also change guys layer count. Yes, see guys, that's my final image. So save this image, save, and press OK, save. Yeah, so close and close. Go on folder. See guys, that's my first texture and that's my second texture, right? Okay, so guys, apply on wall. So I go on create and use material. So open material. Guys, go to node editor and create full screen. So guys, select this one, color. So select, drag and drop in node editor. Yes. Guys, now I use displacement, this one, connect with input and connect with displacement. Yeah. Okay, so guys, select this displacement and level of detail I take full and amount. Guys, amount I take like 20 is good. Yes. And mid level, this one 0.8. Yes, right. Okay, so guys, now apply second material, this one, select, drag and drop in node editor. Yes, and guys, this time black body emission take and connect with texture and connect with emission, right? So guys, select this emission, this one, and surface brightness check and double sided check. Yes, right. Okay, so guys, select this material. Guys, I also change color. So diffuse, I change dark gray color like this. Yes, and also change guys lighting color. So black body emission check and temperature decrease. Temperature like this. Yes, guys, temperature I take 2200 and power little bit decrease like guys 25. Yes. So select and see guys, that's my final image, actually final render. So close this material and so guys, apply on cube. So guys, select this cube and select this polygon, select this one and front face and right side and right click, apply. Yes, and click on node editor. Yes, and click on render. Yeah, right. Okay, so guys, also change UV. So cube, select and length U I take 75 and V 75. Yes, right. Okay, so guys, camera uncheck and guys, all is good. Select this tube and go to up like this. Yes, and again go to camera, right guys. Okay, so guys, select this camera and I change camera setting. So select this camera tag and post processing check. Bloom power I take 10 and yeah, and guys, camera imager check and camera imager click. Exposure 0.9, gamma 0.9 and natural response click, right? And guys, saturation to white you can take 0.1. Yes, okay, 0 is good, right? See guys, okay, so guys, all is good. But now I also apply area light. So go on object and use Octane area light. Yes, and rotate this light, rotate 90°, go to back and up. Yes, close, go to more. Yes. Okay, so guys, now I also change this area light color. So select this tag and texture and use RGB spectrum. Yeah, and click on here. Guys, this time I take red light, red. Yeah, go to back and guys, double-sided also check. Yes, right. Okay, so guys, select this octane area light and copy, press Ctrl C and V. So go on here, that's my second light. Right guys, that's my second light on left side and rotate like this. Yes, and also change guys only color. This time I take blue color, blue, and press OK. See guys, that's really good. Okay, so guys, lighting is complete and now I create material for foreground. So guys, simple, I use glass material, so octane material, and open. Guys, material type I use specular, and guys, go on here, fake shadow and fake shadow check. Yes, and click on node editor. Guys, this time I use scatter medium and connect with here medium. Yes, and use RGB, connect first one and take also RGB and connect second one. And guys, now I change color. So this time I take pink color and second one I take blue color. Yes, and select this first one and also connect with transmission. Right. Okay, so guys, select this scatter medium and density I take 0.1. Yes, see guys, that's my material and apply on foreground. So select this cube, select polygon, select this one, only this one, and right click and apply. Yes, right, see guys, that's beautiful. Right. Okay, so guys, now I create space scene on background. So guys, this time I use HDRI environment. Yes, and click on here. Guys, I apply space scene, that's my space texture, and open. Yes, guys, now I change UV. So UV transform, decrease this scale size, decrease. Yes, see guys, that's my texture, and little bit more like 0.9, 0.09. Yes, see guys. Okay, so guys, select this light, this one, first one, little bit closer. Yes, guys, I also change light setting. So click on here, visibility, and camera visibility uncheck and uncheck and uncheck. Yeah, right. Okay, so guys, now lastly I create mountain. So use plane, this one, and I increase plane size. Guys, size I take 2000 centimeter and height same 2000. Yes, guys, create material for mountain, shader, and create new material. Yes, and double click on material. I go to node editor. Guys, now I apply mountain texture. So see guys, that's my mountain texture. Select, drag and drop in node editor. Yeah, right. Okay, so guys, select this texture, that's my normal map, connect with here. And second one, guys, that's my height, so connect with bump map. And third one, that's my depth, so this time use displacement, connect with input and connect with displacement. Yes. So guys, select this displacement and amount I take like 300 is good, and level of detail I take full. Yes. And last one, this one, guys, apply on roughness. Yes. Right. Okay. So guys, all is good. Now I also create, guys, change material type. I like glossy. Yes. And change color. I take dark gray. Yeah. Right. See guys, that's my mountain texture. So close and apply on, guys, plane. Select and plane apply. Yes. Okay. So guys, see, that's not correct. So fix this. So plane, go to down. Go to down. Yes. More. Like 1 to 5 minus. Yes. And position also change. Position change, guys. Yes. And guys, also rotate like minus 90. Yeah. And little bit go to back. Yes. Yeah. And guys, select this camera and y-axis I take like 200, and guys, last one Z1 I take minus 1000. Yes. And guys, select both light, go to here. Yes. Yeah. Guys, select this plane and little bit closer, go on here. Yes. See guys, that's my room, science fiction room. Right. Okay. Okay. So guys, work on window, apply lighting on window. So camera uncheck. Yes. And create material for this one, ring. So create new material. Open. Guys, material type I use glossy. And that's my white material. Yes. And apply on glossy. On, guys, tube. Yes. And stop this rendering. And guys, create one more material for ring, inner ring. For emission, black body emission check. And use RGB spectrum, this one. And surface brightness check and double sided check. And guys, color I take blue. Blue. Right. Right guys, see, that's my material. So select this tube and make editable. Yes. And go to select. Guys, I also select this polygon. Go to select and use loop selection. And select mid one, this one, and apply emission material. Yes. Right. Okay. So guys, go on camera and save and play. See guys, that's my render, right? Okay. So guys, now little bit increase lighting also. So select this octane area light, this one. Guys, power little bit increase like 150. Yeah. And this one also increase like same 150. Yeah. See guys, now this much better, right? You can increase more like 200. Yes. See guys, it's really good. So select this one. Yeah. See guys, that's my concept science friction effect. So guys, I also increase this height on displacement map. So this one material, this one, that's my wall material. And guys, go to displacement, amount, I take like 25. Yes, better, right? Okay, so guys, that's it. It's my final composition is finished. Now I go on render setting. So stop this rendering and go on render and use render. I take Octane render and use all GPU check. So guys, now close this render setting, close, and again I go on Octane setting and max amp I take 2000. Yes, that's it. So close and render and create full screen. See guys, that's my beautiful render, right? Okay, so guys, I also create some color correction. So go on filter, enable filter check. Guys, saturation I take 20 and contrast I take 10. Yes, see, right? It's really better, right? Okay, after render, save this image. So guys, that's it. It's my simple concept space scene is finished. So if you like my video, please share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.